owe ehuru yo kwirura hamwe no kuhereza abanyayuganda indangamuntu ensya eri kugenda isho mu ihanga ryona. Bwenge Emmanuel orukure hurreji mu district ya Mitoma ahigera abanyamitoma hamwe n'ihanga ryona okwejumbira mu hurreji abo kubane yabusha kanerahuka.
Staff ningashi abakozi ba Nira abakoza kubana babakoraho ba ready machines computer zese kubana zibahandika nazo ziri ready kandi tushaba abanyabigana mwe na mutwaro mu gishogu ntuza kwatiri mu myanya yanyu omiruka omugomborera kandi ntuza kwanda bahandikisa ntugarura busya endangamuntu zanyu kandi kimwine kwijwa ngo endangamuntu ezi ningashi exercise eji ne yabusha kandi neja kuba eri mu manyagwanyo kwika buri omwe no bwarayihandikise
wano mange endangamuntu yawe kabura oine chance yo kufuna endangamuntu ensya otashashwire kuyaho iki tukuba nitwetaga ebaruha kuruga ha polisi ekonfaminga ngo namazime endangamuntu ejo kajinaga then wamara kufuna polisi leta oija ha office tugarure endangamuntu yawe free of charge hatari okushashura.
Orumu Samuel or DPC wa district ya Mitoma nagira ngo tine munya Uganda oshemerere kutina kwehandikisa habo kuba bonka bikwerinda behireyo kushagike hurreji.
We are ready to provide all necessary security to the Ugandans and the officials of Nira to make sure this exercise is very successful. So let everybody feel free to come for the exercise, and wherever they are, those ones who can come to the district should come, but others can wait at some counties since the services are moving down the grassroots.
Ugandans who stay in Mitoma and whoever will be in need of being registered under Mitoma Nira office, we are here inviting the public to come and register themselves so that they can get new IDs. Basically, the IDs are for being served as a true Ugandan. So don't neglect or ignore this exercise.
Tayari West ganiriho nabo bamwe abari mu hurreji kandi abashabire buri muntu we nakufayo kureba ngwabo abatari kwibasa nabo batunga buringaniza batunga umugishogu.
Abari kwija binji twakabwine buzu bwinji konka buce bucyo bine no shanga abana agenda ndangamuntu zabo ningabi zabuzireho usanga umuntu yija atakijika nini yeye kandi abamushanga abantu betaga nka amabara ga polisi abandi usanga batagine so no kuba advising ngo bagarike baza polisi bafunagwa amabara then tuje tubahandika
abantu abo abari vulnerable ombyaro byitu abo kubasa kubahika abantu mbakuzayo babagambere babamanyise then tuje tuzayita ba registration assistance tubakoro hayiba kubabari
ehurreji hekatandike biro 27 kandi neza kumara amezi mukaga mu ihanga ryona ndi Job Kato abwa Tayari West umuri Mitoma.